Okay, so circuits, we have normal drill team. We've got 40 seconds worth of work with a 20 seconds breather on this. We've got the dive bomber push-up to start us off. Starting in that good strong push-up position. Going to hinge on back. Arms are going to scoop. And then we're going to come on up. Working those shoulders, working those chest muscles. Keep that breathing relaxed as we work our way through these. Next up, after the dive bomber with push-up, we've got the hip press and reach. So you just roll on over, you plant your feet securely to the ground, and then from there you're going to drive your hips up and reach on over your shoulder. Nice bit of mobility drill on this one. Keeping the breathing nice and relaxed as you reach on over, driving the hips towards the ceiling, really squeezing those butt cheeks. After the hip press with reach, we've got your plank walkouts. Now in the demonstration here, you can start, as you see, I start off in a nice tall position. I could actually start just on the knees and slowly walk the hands out. I could start in a push-up position and slowly walk the hands out. So you find your appropriate level. You're going to try and walk your hands as far away from you as you can on this one before you walk it back in. Keeping that plank position nice and locked in. Next up after that, we got a split squat with a pulse. So you're going to go left leg forwards first. We'll do 20 seconds on this one. And then we'll do 20 seconds with the right leg forwards. You could do 40 seconds either side if you wanted to, so 40 seconds on round one and then 40 seconds on round two. After that, we have your 90 degrees jump and press. Now you can either jump for distance or you can basically stay on the spot and just rotate on the spot. So with this, there's a couple of different levels. Level one is you can step out 90 degrees, descend into a squat and then step back in. Level two is you can jump out and then step back in. And level 3 is you jump out and you jump in, as I'm doing on the demo here. Once you've done those, you've got your push-up with a side kick. Okay, so we used to do push-up with leg thread. Now this week and this workout, it's push-up with a side kick. As always, if the side kick gets too much, you just perform the push-up. If the push-up is too much, just try working on the mobility and putting the side kick in there. Once you've done those, you've got your sumo squats, so nice tall body position on these. Good solid sumo squats. Keeping the head up and chest up with ease, nice tall torso. Feet are splayed apart, turned out wider than they would normally be. Same as the hips, they're wider than they would normally be. Next up after those, we've got your plank. So this is going to go off the left elbow first. Nice strong plank. Level one is you can break at the knees, so you're hinged at the knees. Level two is a full plank, as you can see here, with the legs long and strong and the heels driven away. And level 3, if you wanted to, you could lift the top limb. Next up after those, you're going to roll over onto your front, and you got the mountain climbers, also known as alternating squat thrust. So mountain climbers are going to be a good strong push-up position. We're going to cycle these legs through. Drawing the knees up towards round about hip height. Tendency, if you draw them up too far, you start rounding through the lower back, which we don't want. And once we've done those, we have the explosive star jumps to finish. So good strong positioning of touching the ground, driving on up explosively through the ground, like you're trying to push the ground away. And reach on up skywards with ease. Strongly suggest you perform 3 repetitions, stop and reset. Perform 3 repetitions, stop and reset. Just to keep the form and the technique nice and high. We have 20 seconds before we get ready for our dive bomber push-ups. That's our first one on this one, so the dive bomber push-ups. So starting off in that nice strong push-up position, hinge on back, scoop the ground, and come on up. Keep those elbows nice and close in. Ready? And away you go. So 40 seconds on this one, smooth and steady and controlled. Keep the breathing nice and relaxed as you scoop. Don't hold the breath. As you see on the demo, if you're watching it, the legs stay nice and straight. So no bending in the knees or anything. Last 10 seconds on this one. And relax there. Well done. Get ready for your hip press and reach. So hip press and reach. So we're starting on the ground with your bum on the ground, feet planted. We're going to drive the hips skyward, squeezing the glutes to the top. Get ready, and away you go. So bringing yourself up, reach on over. Wherever the hand goes, make sure your head follows it. Even if you want to add a little pause at the top, a little what we call an isometric hold. So you stop there, you squeeze your bum, pushing the feet into the ground, then you can come back down. All right, 10 seconds left on this one. And relax there. Well done. 20 seconds to set yourself up for the plank walkouts. Get yourself ready for these. Awesome. Walking the hands out slowly but surely. Bring it back in. All right, and away you go. So take your time with this. No rush. Take your time. Smooth and steady. Taking the hands out. Reach on out. Keep it locked in. Bring it back in. All right, we've got 8 seconds left on this. Last 3 seconds. And relax on those plank walkouts. Let's get you ready for the split squats with pulse. These will get your legs lit up a little. So I'd suggest you start from the ground with your left leg forwards. Get your left knee over your left ankle. Your right knee directly underneath your hip. Dig your toes into the ground. Get your head and chest up. And away you go. All right, smooth and steady. You got split squats with a pulse. Keeping the head and chest up. We're going to do 20 seconds either side. Going to change legs in 7. Keep that torso nice and tall. And change legs. All right, immediately put your right leg forward, left leg back. Here we go. Straight up, straight down. Little pulses. Not a massive range of movement on this. Just smooth and steady. Little light bounces. Don't go smashing your knee into the ground or anything. 4 more seconds on this. And relax, well done. All right, 90 degrees jump and press. We're going to do 20 seconds either side on this one. 20 seconds either side. Remember those levels I talked about on the warm-up. Level 1, step out, step back in. Level 2, jump out, step back in. Level 3, jump out and jump back in. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 20 seconds either side on this. Explosively jump and rotate by 90 degrees. You land in a nice deep squat. Control that. Drive the hands out as far away from you as you can. You've got 5 more seconds, then we're going to change sides. And change sides. All right. Off you go. 20 seconds either side. You wound it up one side. Now jump out. Explode out. Opposite side. Three more seconds on this. And relax. Well done. All right, it's the push-up with the side kick. So push-up and side kick. So nice strong plank position with this. Everything's built off that strong plank, right? So nice strong plank position. Perform a push-up. Elbows pointing backwards in an arrow position. Ready? Off you go. Then you reset at the top. Turn, side kick. Doesn't have to be a major side kick. We're not looking for Bruce Lee standards here. And then perform another push-up. Make sure you alternate the sides on this one. All right, 20 seconds, halfway through. If this starts to break down, just perform that push-up. Even if you can do the side kick, maybe full body, but you have to do the push-up on your knees. No worries. After each side kick, take yourself down to the knees, reset the form, and then go from there. 5 seconds on this one. And relax. 20 seconds breather to set yourself up for your sumo squats. Get ready for these. All right, 7 seconds for your sumo squats. If you're loading any of these up with kettlebells or anything along those lines, grab them now. Go, go, go. All right, 40 seconds. Nice, solid, steady sumo squats. Wider stance than normal. Head and chest up. Still got the great control dialed in. Okay, last 14 seconds on this one. Take your time on the descent. You certainly don't want to drop into this because this is really opening up your hips and groin. Don't want to pull anything, so take your time with these. And relax there. Way to go. Side plank. We're going left elbow first with this one. So take yourself down to the ground. Left elbow on the ground. Get your right hip stacked over your left. Your right shoulder stacked over your left. You've got 7 seconds. All right, get ready. First side plank. And away you go. Bring yourself up. Keep yourself locked in. Keep that breathing nice and relaxed. If the form starts to break down, falter or fail, take yourself down to the ground. Have a breather. It's fine. And then bring yourself back up. Remember the levels. Level 1 was on the knees. Level 2 was full body. And level 3, you can lift your top limb if you want to. Almost there on this one. Last 10 seconds. Keep the breathing relaxed. Push the heels away there from the head just that little bit more if you can. And relax. All right, mountain climbers, aka alternating squat thrust. Okay, 8 seconds on this. Get yourself ready. So, strong push-up position. Set that plank position, remember. And away you go. Keep your shoulders over your hands. If you start to move too far forwards or too far back, it'll place excess pressure through your joints. So stack the joints one over the other where they're going to be stronger. Keep your shoulders over your hands. 24 seconds left. Last 10 seconds, which means you're on the home straight with these alternating squat thrust. And relax there. Well done. Get ready for those explosive star jumps. This is the end of round 1 of 3. Round 1 of 3. Explosive star jumps. Scale these down to normal star jumps. Scale these down to step out to the side with an arm sweep. Really take the impact out. You got 3 seconds. Get ready. And away you go. So, touching the ground, explode up. Touching the ground, explode up. 10 seconds already gone on these. Remember, perform 3 repetitions, stop and reset. Perform 3 repetitions, stop and reset. Make sure you don't bang your head on the ceiling. Try and stick your fingertips into the clouds if you're outside, wherever you are in the world. 3 seconds on this. And relax. There you go. Round 1 done and dusted. Well done. Right, let's crack on with round 2. We're going to set ourselves up ready for these dive bomber push-ups. Second set, so we're well and truly warmed up now. Means we can get after these, no problems. Alright, we've got 3 seconds. Dive bomber push-ups in 2, 1, let's go. Dive bomber push-ups, scoop in the ground. Can you make these a little bit easier by placing your hands on a chair or on a table to lessen the angle? Of course you can. Okay? Just as long as you're not going to headbutt the chair or the table. We don't want that. But you can place your hands on a bench to lessen the angle. Alright, 13 seconds left on this one. Keep that hinge at the hips. Take your time. And relax. Have a 20 seconds breather to set yourself up ready for your hip press with reach. 13 seconds before this dials in. All right, last couple of seconds. Ready? And away you go. A good solid hip press with reach. Drive the hips up, squeeze the top, reach on over. See how far you can get that working, that non-working hand. So whichever hand is working, as in driving away, see how far you can get that away from the opposite foot. Really extending and lengthening across the body. All right, 10 seconds on this one. 4 more seconds now. And relax, well done. All right. Plank walkouts. Get yourself ready. Keep that breathing nice and relaxed as you walk those hands out. And away you go, plank walkouts. Remember, you don't have to start with a starting position, as in the tall position. You might start in a push-up position. You might do these on your knees. Find your appropriate level. "20 seconds left. Halfway through. Take your time. Again, this is certainly one of those ones you don't want rushed. Walking the hands out, see how far you can reach out, keep the breathing relaxed. And relax there. 20 seconds breather to get yourself ready for your split squat with pulse. So, again, let's go left side forwards. Start with your right knee on the ground. Left knee is over left ankle, right knee is underneath the hip, toes are dug in. We're going to pop up and down in 3, 2, 1, and away you go. Smooth and steady. Okay, 10 seconds gone already. 20 seconds, halfway through. Change legs, get your right leg forward, change legs, get your right leg forwards. Almost there on this one. And relax. Great stuff. All right, set yourself up. 90 degrees, jump and press. Keep the breathing relaxed. I'm going to do 20 seconds one side, reset 20 seconds the other. Scale the level up and down to which is appropriate for you. You got 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and go. So 90 degrees, jump out and press. Level 1, step out, step in. Level 2, jump out, step in. Level 3, jump out, jump in. Let's go. You got 8 seconds before you change sides. Keep this energy up. Dropping into that squat as you land and change sides. All right, 20 seconds either side. You've wound it up one way, unwound it the opposite way. 10 seconds. Last 5, you're almost there. And and relax. Well done. Great stuff. Set yourself up. It's the push-up with the side kick. Six seconds. 3 seconds. And away you go. Good, solid push-up and side kick. "25 seconds left on this. 20 seconds. 15 seconds left is all. Last 10. Four more seconds. Come on, give us another rep. And relax. All right, it's the sumo squats. Get yourself ready. Nice wide stance. If you're going to load this, go grab the implement or tool that you're going to use and get yourself ready. All right, 3, 2, 1, and away you go. What pace you do these at, entirely up to you, as long as the form or technique stays dialed in. Slowing it down can make it harder. You might be loading it, making it harder. You might make it harder still by making it faster and more explosive, as long as the form and the technique doesn't break down. 13 seconds on this. Last 10. All right, 4 more seconds. And relax. Great stuff. All right, side plank. We're going to go after... oh my God, let's start that again. We're going to have to go off the right-hand side on this side plank. So take yourself down to the ground. Get your right elbow underneath your shoulders. Left shoulder is now stacked over your right. Left hip is stacked over your right. Extend the legs out fully if you can. Get ready. And away you go. Find your appropriate level on this one. Level 1, bend at the knees. Level 2, full body as the demo. Level 3, lift the top limb. 10 seconds already gone. You can break this down into your manageable chunks of 10 seconds on and 3 seconds off. Maybe 15 on and 5 off. Whichever one you're choosing, you've got 20 seconds left. You are halfway through. Way better to hold a 10-second plank that's really locked in than a 20-second plank that's saggy in the center and looks like a broken bridge. 5 seconds. And relax there. All right, you got 20 seconds to roll over onto your front and set yourself up, ready for your mountain climbers. Seven seconds. All right, mountain climbers, and away you go. Ease yourself out of the blocks on this one, and then slowly start picking up the pace. Almost like gears with this one. You're in gear 1, and then you're going to step it up. There's 10 seconds gone. Go into gear 2, so you're going a little bit faster now. All right, a little bit faster still for us. So step it up a gear. You're in gear 3. And gear 4, let's go with 10 seconds left. Let's power through with these feet. And relax there, well done. Get yourself ready for those explosive star jumps. 3 solid repetitions. Reset the form of the technique, and then give us another 3. You have 10 seconds. All right, stand by. 5 seconds on this one. And away you go. Light it up. 3 reps and 3 reps only. Granted, you've got to do them, continuously for 40 seconds, but shh, don't tell anybody. Right, 25 seconds left on these. If you're doing step-out star jumps or normal star jumps, then, yeah, you can go for 40 seconds. If they're getting really explosive like this, just do the 3 reps. And then reset and do another 3, not just 3 reps. You got 8 seconds. This is going to be the end of round 2, and you only have 1 more round to pay in. Get ready. And relax there. Here we go. Beginning of round 3. It's the beginning of the end. Dive bomb or push-up. Setting yourself up. You got 12 seconds. All right, last 8. So set yourself up. You can do these. If you're a bit more tired, maybe do 2 reps. Stop and reset. Do 2 reps. Otherwise, if you can rock them out for the 40, go for it. Here we go. 40 seconds only. "23 seconds on these. Dive bomber push-up, scooping that ground. Don't actually touch the ground with this. Don't be headbutting or grazing your chest across the ground. We don't want that. Just literally, just a sliver of light between your head and your chest as you scoop the ground here. 5 seconds on this. And relax. Way to go. All right, set yourself up. Hip press or reach. Final time on this session. All right, 3 seconds. Get ready. And away you go. So, drive up. Little squeeze as you reach on over. Bring yourself back down, smooth and steady. "20 seconds left. All right, last 15. 10 seconds. Drive up, squeeze, back on down. Drive up, squeeze, back on down. All right, smooth and steady. Going to reach on out for these plank walkouts. Have a 20 seconds breather to set these up. Again, lovely bit of core work, nice and controlled. Be careful now if your floor's a bit more slippy. Get ready, because you've been sweating a little possibly. Only go out as far as you can recover. 10 seconds already gone. All right, 20 seconds. 15. You got this. Take your time. Last 10 seconds. See how far you can reach out on this rep and maybe the next one. And relax. It's the split squat with the pulse. 20 seconds either side. Working those legs. All right, 10 seconds to set yourself up. Left leg forward, right leg back. Small movement on this, just that small pulse. Get ready. And away you go. So, smooth and steady. Split squat with pulse. Heads up, chest up. Torso tall. And change legs. There we go. Get that right leg forwards. Swap it out. Ten seconds left on this one. Almost there in this. Keep that torso tall. And relax. All right, 90 degrees jump and press. Once you've nailed these, that's 25 exercises in the bank and only 5 left to pay in, right? So 90 degrees jump and press, 20 seconds either side, 4 seconds to get yourself ready. And away you go, let's go. Land light. If I was listening in now, I shouldn't be able to hear any noise. Don't want you thudding down to the ground with these. 5 seconds before you change sides. And change sides. Give me 20 seconds opposite side. Here we go. You got 10 seconds left is all. 10 seconds left. Last 5. And relax. Well done. 20 seconds breather. Push up with side kick. 5 exercises left to pay in. 25 boxed off. 5 left to go. And one of them is this push up with the side kick. 4 more seconds. Get yourself ready. Alright. Set your strong push up and away you go. If you are more tired now, you might just do the side kick. You might regress the side kick. Maybe just like a leg lift. Doesn't have to be a side kick, just to test that anti-rotation and that core work and that plank. 23 seconds left. If you're doing the full push-up with side kick, outstanding. Well done you. 15 seconds left. Last 5 seconds on these. Keep long, keep strong, and relax. All right, sumo squats, final set. Nice wide stance, head up, chest up. 8 seconds left on this one. All right, and away you go. Ten seconds already gone. Halfway through on these sumo squats. Keep the breathing nice and relaxed. Last 10 seconds. Almost there. Take your time. And relax. Well done. All right. Taking yourself down. So we're going to do a side plank on your left elbow with this. Go left elbow first, and then we're going to swap to the right elbow after 20 seconds because this is round 3. Okay, so bring yourself up. You're on your left elbow. Hips are stacked. Shoulders are stacked. Finding your appropriate level, level 1, 2, or 3. You have 10 seconds before you're going to change sides. All right, change sides. You're going off your right elbow and your right elbow only. Come on up, lock it in. Almost there on this one. And relax. Well done. Great stuff. All right. 2 exercises left to pay in. We have your push-up. No, we don't. But push-up and leg thread. So bloody. We have your mountain climbers. Of course you do. You have your mountain climbers and your explosive star jumps. Don't know where my mind was going there. Right. Get ready. And away you go, mountain climbers. See if you can step it up a gear again. So you're on gear 1, right? The legs are starting to power up, are starting to cycle up. We're going to go into level 2 or gear 2 now. So take it up another level. Can you get that a little bit faster? Not too much. We need to leave some in the tank for gears 3 and 4. And gear 3. So now we go a little bit faster. We're coming around the corner. This is like a 400-meter race. We've done 100 meters, 200 meters. This is the 300 meters. Ready? Bang, gear 4. This is your last 10 seconds. Last 100 meters. We're racing towards the finish line. We're getting those legs out a little bit faster, keeping the breathing relaxed. Power through. You're almost there. And relax. Well done. Let's finish strong with these explosive star jumps. Get it nicely dialed in. All right, you got 5 seconds. Get ready. Going to touch the ground, touch the ceiling. Now and away you go. Final 40 seconds on this. Final 40 seconds. Touching the ground, touching the ceiling, touching the ground, touching the ceiling. 3 reps and 3 reps only. Land light. Get those fingertips to touch the ground. Come on. Stick them into the ceiling. Punch up into the clouds. All right. 15 seconds left, team. As always, thank you so much for jumping into this session. You have 10 seconds left. Keep the energy up right to the end. You're almost there. Give me 3, 2, 1.